Johannes, since I'm just out of surgery and I can't use my hand, can you clean these artichokes for me? We'll have them for dinner tonight.
For today's daily vlog, dahil katatapos lang ng hand surgery ni John at hindi pa siya masyadong magaling, tutulungan ko lang siya dito sa kusina guys. For today's menu, magluluto lang kami ng grilled artichoke. Siguro twice or 3 times na ako nakatikim nito. Usually mga dala ni John galing sa work and usually nilalagay niya ito or minimix niya ito with salad. Medyo mahirap lang siyang linisin guys kasi may mga tinik-tinik yung dahon. Medyo nagulat lang ako sa presyo ng gulay na ito guys ha kasi nasa $4 to $5 pala ang isang peraso nito. Naku, ang mahal. And then how to ano?
This is all edible. No, don't cut the stem off yet.
Ah, okay. I
Well,
think I
don't
have
go
to
so
be...
deep. Yeah, one at a time.
Right. Nagmamadali kasi.
All right, that's it.
Okay.
Wasn't paying
We're saving
attention.
this one, right?
We can cook that
Okay.
if you want to, since that's all the meaty meat.
Akala ko itatapon na yung mga dahon guys na napilas ko. Hindi pala. Kasi sabi ni John, pwede pa daw yung i-boil. At saka meron ka pa daw makukuha na parang konting meat out of those leaves. Sabi niya, papakuluan lang daw yun. O diba? Tama din naman guys kasi sobrang mahal ng artichoke. Sayang kung itatapon lang natin yung dahon. Why won't you throw a $4 to $5? You know. Do you put salt with this one, darling?
We're out of lemons.
Oh, yes. But here,
We needed
there
lemons
is...
yesterday then.
Ah, okay. At pagkatapos mong ma-slice ang artichoke, ay lalagyan mo pala siya kaagad ng lemon para hindi daw mangitim. Ganyan pala yung sekreto. Like that?
A lot.
Oh, a lot.
You're gonna take a lot. You see that little white
Oh,
spot?
okay.
You're gonna take it all the way down to there.
See, wala talaga akong kaalam-alam guys sa gulay na ito. Masarap siyang kainin pero mahirap, matrabaho siya. Hala ka, nanipis na
What did you do? It's almost gone.
Oh, sorry darling. Nanipis.
I knew I shouldn't have walked away.
Sorry darling.
But you don't want to dig into the meaty part. You just want to get that fur out of there.
There's a lot in the bottom.
Yeah, keep going.
Ganito lang kami ni John guys, medyo nababangayan
This
lang
is
kami.
how we really want them.
Yep. Akin na lang ito. This is just mine. Where's the other one? Okay. We're fighting guys, but it's not really fight like physical fight. O hindi na siya makakatapak sa Pilipinas kapag sasaktan niya ako. Pero nagpapasalamat talaga ako guys na iba talaga ang ugali ni John. Oo, nagsisigawan kami minsan. Who has a perfect relationship? Nobody has a perfect relationship in this world. Even the celebrity, even whoever. No, we're just human being.
That's it.
So, kung nagtatalo kayo, nag-aaway kayo, at the end of the day, mag-sorry kayo sa isa't isa, huwag kayong matulog ng, it sounds cliche, but huwag kayong matulog na may sama ng loob, no? Kasi, at the end of the day, kayo pa rin ang magkakasama, no? Habang buhay, no? At saka kayo lang ang nagtutulungan. Walang ibang mag-ano sa inyo. Huwag kang magsabi sa iyong mga kaibigan na nag-away kayo. That's the wrong thing to do. Do not tell anybody, like, even if your best friend, you know, like you're having a fight or this and that. So, because at the end of the day, hindi naman yung mga best friend mo ang makakasama mo eh. It's not the best friend that will resolve the issue. It's not the best friend that you will be for the rest of your life.
No, in
No?
some cases they'll make the situation worse.
Worse. Kasi may magkakaroon sila ng mga advices that you don't like, that you might, you know.
They'll start telling you what you have to do.
Yes, exactly. And then maybe that is, you don't know if it's real or not. If they want to make it if you want to make the problem worse. No? So you might as well, if you are fighting with your husband or with your wife, you might as well fix it with your own, and then that's it. Ganun naman talaga ang buhay, hindi naman perfecto ang life. Kami nag-aaway din kami ni Jan, pero we always resolve it right away, like one day lang.
Are they all lemoned?
They're all lemoned, only here, like that, right? I think more water, darling.
More than enough. No.
That's why.
Because the steam's gonna, you put a lid on it.
Hindi talaga ako mahilig kumain nito. Hindi ako nakakain nito sa Pilipinas. For sure, available din yan sa Philippines, pero not so much siguro. Hindi siguro yan famous. Siguro famous yan sa mga restaurant ni Gordon Ramsay. 'Di ba guys? Oh, well, correct me if I'm wrong. Mga mayayaman, kung mayayaman kayo na nanonood sa akin ngayon, maaring nakakain na kayo niyan, no? Kasi $4 to $5, sino man ang gustong bumili niyan? Oy, ibili ko na lang yan ng bigas, ang $4 to $5. Tama, mali. Tama. Ayan, so ayun lang guys, yung advice ni Johannes kapag ka nagtatalo kayo, huwag kayong basta-basta magpapadala, huwag kayong magsumbong sa inyong mga kaibigan, huwag kayong magkipag-divorce kaagad. Kasi pag nag-divorce kayo kaagad, wala na. Tapos nagkamali kayo ng desisyon, late nyo marirealize na, ay mali pala yung ginawa ko, ganito, ganyan. Dapat pala hindi ako nagpadalos-dalos ng desisyon. Huli na ang lahat. Ay, nilagyan pala ni Jan ng olive oil, hindi man lang ako sinabihan. So for the next few days guys, tutulungan ko si Jan kung ano man yung mga lulutuin namin. Like kanina nakapag-bake tayo ng bread. Siguro yung next ko na gagawin is gagawa tayo ng homemade yogurt. Gumagawa din niya si Jan ng homemade yung parang gelatin. Ayan, gumagawa din niya si Jan. Kasi lahat ng mga nakikita ni Jan online, like for example, kasi yan siya kay Dr. Berg dito sa YouTube, one of million fans of Dr. Berg yan si Jan. Marami siya mga natututunan when it comes to health benefits. I-search nyo yan guys, si Dr. Berg is very helpful when it comes to, what is the kind of food that you eat, if you are Yeah.
It's not gonna fit.
No, because we do the joke. The other one.
What joke is that?
It's very funny. Like the pizza, when you grab it here, it will fall down, and then I'm here getting a plate, and then I will. At the end of the video, it will go to your head. Like
It's gonna hit me.
it's gonna hit you.
Or you want a plastic plate?
Yeah, plastic plate is fine. So it's gonna hit you, or it hit me. Maybe it's funnier if you hit me. No, you will be here when you hit me. So it's not like, no, don't do that. You will be here, like near me, so that it's not hurt. Doesn't hurt. Like you like that me here. Later, maybe you like that. Like you'll be here.
Okay.
Like. But we have to cook this first. And then I have to slice a little to waste. Okay.
Just get another piece, that's all.
Alright. We can do it later. Or that's our dinner.
I will eat some pizza.
Okay. Then do it first while I'm editing. Or do you want this to grill first?
Oh, we're grilling that first, for sure.
In the video, yeah. To make it like that.
Couple tablespoons. That's good. I'm just gonna do that.
Half and half.
Not even half, just a few.
Pinch of salt.
You got 4 artichokes to go over.
Alam niyo ba guys? Trivia, this olive oil is from the dumpster. Was from the dumpster. Yep.
You got a whole cabinet full.
Yes. Actually, pinamigay ko na nga yung iba eh. The other one, the Iberia oil, there's like 10 bottles. Not just bottles, big bottles.
Big bottles. Get the leaves inside.
The leaves, yeah. Or here also, right? Here also?
Yeah, just for fun, sure.
Okay.
We're not gonna eat that part, but
Mabuti lang sigurado tayo guys. Wait, nagtatanong talaga ako kasi kung hindi ako magtatanong, mabubulyawan na naman ako niyan na bakit hindi mo inano, bakit hindi mo sinama, ganyan. Oh, better safe na lang tayo guys. Ganyan talaga ako, better safe na lang talaga ako all the time. Kasi ayoko na masigawan ba, kasi pag nasigawan na naman, mag-ego na naman tayo, magagalit na naman tayo, ma-feel bad na naman tayo, no? Feeling natin, inaalipusta na naman tayo. Mga Pinoy naman, hindi na magpapalipusta sa mga banyaga. Ayan na guys! Lulutok nito guys.
okay. The actual fire. You don't want it to burn, that's for sure.
Alright. So, sasave natin yung dahon. Kasi syempre, mahal daw ito eh. So, kinakain na ni Jen. Tikman natin ang tag $5 na artichoke. Good. Mas masarap pala siya pag i-grill, guys. Usually kasi yung natitikman ko galing sa work ni Jan, isinahalo niya sa salad or binoboil niya lang. Ito palang grilled artichoke with olive oil and some herbs and spices. Mas masarap. Try nyo, guys.
The thing that's not edible is the top of the leaves. The ends are edible.
Which one? Everything here?
Oh yeah.
Harap. Hey guys, good morning. 5:48 in the morning. Dapat may plano kami ngayon na mag-dumpster dive ni Jan. Kaso nga lang, parang late na kasi parang rush hour na ngayon. So, okay na din nagising tayong maaga kasi trash day ngayon. Nakalimutan lang namin itong ilabas kagabi. Everyday talaga nilalabas namin ito, guys, kasi namamaho sa kusina ba. Pero last night, inaantok na kasi kami kaya nakalimutan namin ito. Buti nagising kami ng maaga ngayon kasi trash day. Hi! There's a baby here. Baby lovely. Hi, baby lovelies. Hi. Hi. Good morning. Good morning to the camera. Sa labas lang yan sila natutulog, guys. May bahay man sila doon sa labas. Sa totoo lang, mas nauuna pa yan silang kakain kaysa sa amin. Kami, hindi pa kami nagkakape sila. Busog na. Food niya is ito, Friskies.
Where did these guys come from?
Uy! Umakyat na siya.
Wow.
We can't wait.
Wow.
Umakyat na siya, guys.
Put an extra scoop of coffee in.
4.
Yeah.
For our coffee, we always mix it with Optifiber. I think I've been doing this for maybe 6 months. 6 months or so. Oh. They say before you drink coffee, tanggalin ko lang yung aking Invisalign. Before you drink coffee, you drink water.
Yeah, they say it's best to drink water first thing.
For what?
Gets your body going in the morning.
May bad news lang din, guys, kasi ka-chat ko kanina yung aking hipag. Inaapoy daw ng lagnat. Yung aking pamangkin, yung youngest ko na pamangkin, parang 5 days na ata na inaapoy ng lagnat. So ang suspetsa ko, baka na dengue or what. Nasa 103 degrees Fahrenheit yung kanyang init. No? And hindi daw talaga siya bumababa and may kasama pang ubo. So ayun, na-admit nila sa hospital. And then ito, binabasa ko yung kanyang result. Bumaba yung kanyang platelet. So, hoping and praying, guys, na sana gumaling na yung aking pamangkin kasi mahirap talaga magkasakit, guys. Uy, lalo na sa probinsya ba. Hi guys, good morning. Happy Tuesday everyone. Aray, alis lang tayo. Ang lamig. 8 a.m. yung doctor's appointment ni John. So siya ang pinakauna. You're gonna be first in line. May dala-dala pala ako dito guys na Florida Driver's License Handbook. So ito po yung galing sa aking kaibigan na si Kibler. Tapos na kasi siyang mag-exam. Actually online exam. And ito talaga guys, seryoso na talaga ito. Kasi na-realize ko na kailangan ko na talagang mag-drive. I've seen a lot of comments sa YouTube na yun nga, Johannes, kailan ka pa mag-start mag-drive? Don't be too dependent to John because sometimes there comes a time, emergency, you really need to learn how to drive. Alam mo sa pamilya namin, yung kapatid ko si John at si John Ray, marunong na talaga silang mag-drive. Ako talaga even motorcycle, hindi ako even nga sa bicycle, I cannot balance no? Marunong na ako mag-bike pero yun nga, hindi masyado ganun ka-excellent. The first thing that you need to do is to learn the traffic rules. You learn all the rules
of the road.
Kasi there's a lot of drivers, okay? They know how to drive but they don't know the rules. That's very big difference. Dito, ito daw ata yung parang lumabas sa exam. Ayan, nagpapasalamat talaga ako sa kaibigan ko na binigay niya ito sa akin. So mahaba-habang study ang gagawin natin guys. Medyo traffic na ngayon.
Lots of traffic.
Maraming salamat. I appreciate talaga guys ang inyong mga comments, no, mga suggestions, no, mga payo sa akin ba. Nagsasabi na kailangan ko na talagang matutong mag-drive. Totoo talaga yan guys kasi hindi naman palaging mag-Uber tayo kasi Uber is very expensive. No? And
Depends on how much you travel actually.
Exactly.
Because either way you pay. You have a car payment, you have insurance payment.
And also the gas.
And the gas.
The gas also. But it's only for emergency purposes.
It's for freedom.
It's for
The
freedom.
car.
Exactly. And also dumpster diving. I will consider that because sometimes I ask John to do dumpster diving and he's not available. It's either he's at work, he's tired, or he's doing something else. So
Or I'm
it's
asleep.
exactly just like last night. We had a deal. We had a deal to go dumpster diving, and what he did, he fell asleep at around 7 p.m. He usually is not sleep. He usually sleeps at late, like 9 p.m., 10 p.m. But last night, I think he purposely did it.
No, I don't know.
He didn't want to go out. So if I know how to drive, so I'll just go out, no? Roam around, go to the dumpsters, no? And find something. Marami talaga ang guys, benefit, no? If you know how to drive. And also, since I'm hindi na ako nag-study, no? Nagkwento na lang ako. Also guys, I'm planning also to work, okay? Because as you all know, social media is really not good nowadays. So I'm thinking that maybe I can work in the future, but it's not, 100% sure. I've seen a lot of comments that Johannes should try Costco. I've seen one comment from one of my subscribers saying that I've worked with Costco for 13 years now. I'm retired in Canada. They have very good benefits in terms of health insurance, in terms of basta all the benefits. I think mga 401k and everything and all. So, yun yung tinitignan ko. And also, one of my supporters, Tita Canlas, shout out to you. She said that why don't you try CNA or this and that so that you can work in the facility or mga medical field, mga ganyan, or pwede kang maging caregiver, ganyan. I'm also considering that because I know someone, Ate Gigi, she works in like not assisted living, something like that, parang related sa mga ganyan. And then mas maganda daw, sabi daw, Ate Gigi said that sometimes when you're assigned to an elderly, and then when the elderly passed, sometimes the children will give you something, pamana. Papamanahan ka. It's either the clothes, either the shoes, whatever, jewelry, even house. Even house daw there. Yeah. So you're
That
very
would be-
lucky if you get inheritance, no? From
Right.
those na pinagtrabahuan mo. Especially siguro there, I think if it's maybe if you're working for like 10 years or something.
Right, they gotta really know you for-
Yes, exactly. Not like nagtrabaho ka lang doon ng 6 months,
you're like
papamanahan ka
family.
kaagad, no? But that's true, Tita Canlas, because I've learned also na ganyan ang ginagawa nila. One time, because I have a friend also, Kibler's working same as that. And then, pinamanahan sila ng mga dresses, ng mga mamahalin ha, mamahaling mga dress, no? So, I think i-consider ka yan or magtrabaho sa Publix or magtrabaho sa, kasi may mga experience din naman ako eh. Nagtrabaho ako sa restaurant, sa Jollibee, KFC, nagtrabaho ako. So, pwede akong magtrabaho dito sa mga fast food chain. Ganyan. Siguro mga Chick-fil-A, ganyan. No, pero i-consider ko yung Costco or Trader Joe's dahil ang Trader Joe's ay malakad lang. Walking distance. Yung Trader Joe's malapit na mag-open. This year, mag-open na siya 2026. Kasi nalulungkot talaga ako guys kasi totoo talaga yung sinabi nila na don't rely on social media dahil darating ang panahon na hindi ka nababayaran, which is true. Ngayon I'm very sad because one of my videos took off 2 million views. Took
And-
off? Is that the right word?
Mhm.
Took off. Okay, 2 million views and now it's only $10. Before, for 2 million views, they will pay you as much as $500 to $1,000. But now, it's different now. They are paying you $10. I think
Very
because
different.
there's a lot of content creators now in the world. Medyo nakakasad lang guys, nakaka-demotivate, nawawalan ako ng gana na mag-content. Pero tuloy-tuloy pa rin ako guys kahit pa isa-isa or dalawang upload everyday. Dati kasi medyo ganado ka, like 10 times a day ka nag-upload or minsan more than pa. Dati, pag nag-upload ka ng picture, kayang kumita ng $100 or something like that. Pero ngayon, wala na talaga. Cents na lang talaga. But kung mayroon mang pintuan na magsasara, very cliche ang saying na ito, meron namang mga pintuan or na magbubukas. Diba? Kagaya ng YouTube. YouTube talaga was my first love. I started YouTube since 2014 and then nag-stop lang ako nung kasagsagan ng maraming bonus sa FB, sa Meta. And ngayon balik na naman tayo sa YouTube kasi never tayong iniwan ni YouTube at nagpapasalamat ako na nandito pa rin ang aking mga followers ever since sa YouTube. Marami na rin ang nawala, no? Pero may mga iilan din na nagstick sa atin, no? And patuloy pa rin na sumusuporta since day one. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyo. Tignan natin kung magkano ang gas. Okay, magpapagas lang muna kami dito sa Costco, guys. Yan.
Gas.
Gas. Full tank mo na lang. Magkano kaya yung full tank? Kapataas ng presyo ng bilihin ngayon is yung gas. Talagang connected talaga yan sila, guys. Kaya sa mga nagsasabi na mahal ang mga paninda ko ng mga bags, wag na lang kayong umorder. Okay, full tank si John. How much is the full tank, darling?
$50. It's $4.50 a gallon.
$4.50 a gallon?
Mm-hmm.
Before.
$3.50.
Wow.
It's up $1.
Grabe, ang mahal na talaga ngayon. Hindi lang sa Pilipinas. I think this is a world crisis, di ba? No? Not
yeah.
only in the Philippines. The price hike. Grabe, like every day. Like, sa amin ha, ito. Kasi may truck ako eh. So, sabi ni John Ray, before...
It's gonna come back down.
Hopefully soon. Before 50 pesos per liter kasi sa Philippines dito kasi gallon eh. So before 50 pesos, ngayon umaabot sa 90 to 100. Nag-study na ako dito. Kasi kanina pa ako nagayaw-yaw dito, guys. Tanungin ko nga si John, guys, kung if he still remember some of this.
The father of our country.
This is not US citizenship. Okay. In your vehicle, what should you adjust before you start your engine? Hala, parang very easy question naman ito.
Well, there's a couple. That's your seat and your mirrors, no?
You got it! Seat and mirror! I think I would have answered seats only, not mirror. Okay, what are the equipment or requirements for windshields and side windows? Hindi ko rin nag-gets ito eh. Tanong.
They have to be tempered glass, no?
Perfect. Or safety glass. What are bumper height requirements?
I don't know.
Alaka!
That's gonna be for people with the big pickup trucks and stuff. Maybe tractor.
Okay.
trailer.
There's another follow-up there. What are bumper height requirements? Are they same for every vehicle?
No.
No, you're right. Bakit parang si Jan ang inaano ko? Baliktad ata guys, parang si Jan yung nire-review ko, parang si Jan yung kukuha ng exam, dapat ako. Pero alam nyo, kinakabahan talaga ako. I-memorize ko to, and then hindi lang basta i-memorize ha, kailangan maintindihan ko rin kung ano yung binabasa ko. Kasi may mga ganyan isa sa ulado mo lang no, pero hindi mo naiintindihan yung mga binabasa mo. For sure, kayang-kaya ko to guys. Kaya natin to. Orthopedic Center of Palm Beach County. Check in here?
No.
Okay. Waiting lang ako kay John. You checked in already?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Siguro mga 30 minutes lang yung appointment ni John. Ayan, nag-i-study lang ako dito habang naghihintay sa kanya. Ayan, tapos na siya actually. Alright. Back in the car. Going home now.
Do the car wash.
Back home now. Walang nagnakaw ng TV natin, guys. Wala bang magnanakaw dito? Hello! Good morning! So gagawa ulit tayo guys ng keto bread kasi mabilis na ubos yung keto bread. Gagamitin natin yung maple syrup na bigay sa akin ng friend ko from Canada. Prep ko lang yung mga ingredients dito guys. Actually nahanda na ni Jan ito kanina eh. Mabilis lang naubos yung ginawa ko na loaf bread nung nakaraan kasi may bisita kami eh.
We'll zero it out.
Okay. That's good?
Yeah.
Okay. So 3.6. Hi! What are you doing? What are you doing? You don't have food in here. Cover lang natin. Hindi talaga ako pwedeng hindi maghugas ng kamay guys. After na maghawak ng mga kung ano-ano. Kailangan may hugas at saka sabon talaga yan. Gagawa lang ng brine si John for our turkey. Pupunta lang siya sa garden natin to cut our maybe it's another video, it's another vlog. Every video count, every second count.
Rosemary.
Rosemary pala. Hi garden kitties. That's Province, that's Midnight. They always play here.
Alright.
Marami tayong gagawin ngayon guys. Busy ang araw ni Johannes andyan ngayon. So, ito po yung mga ingredients sa paggawa ng brine. Brine is the process para ma-absorb, parang kosher chicken siya, para ma-absorb yung spices sa chicken bago natin siya lutuin. So, we have the thyme, we have the rosemary, we have peppercorns, garlic, lemon, and onion and salt. Gusto ko talaga malinis yung ano ko counter bago ako mag-start.
Yeah, that's fine.
So next step, 7 minutes, 7 egg. Okay, 10 ounce. Zero out natin yan.
I think this time we skipped the baking soda
Okay.
and the vinegar.
So 10 ounce of flour. 2 2 teaspoon of baking powder. Saka na tayo dito. Okay na yung butter natin. 1 tablespoon of psyllium husk. Ano ba, Johannes? Hindi mo na kailangan tanggalin yan. Ayan. Tablespoon or teaspoon of apple cider?
No apple cider, because the apple cider is designed to make the baking soda fluff.
Ah, okay. So,
But
1/4.
in the recipe, it says the baking soda makes the bread smell funny.
Oh, okay. So, we don't use that.
This time we'll
skip
skip it and then just use
that. How much salt we use? 1/4.
2 teaspoons.
Alright, that's it. All our dry ingredients are in. So, mix it well.
You have your already?
Madali lang siyang gawin actually. I think we need to preheat first the oven while we're doing this one.
Bake 350.
Bake 350. Start. Okay. Mga lumps niya, kailangan maano, tanggal. Okay, next tayo guys is the room temp natin na egg. I think we need to preheat first the oven while we're doing this one.
Yes.
And then remove all the things in the oven. So, I'm gonna bake, darling. Bake.
Bake 350.
Bake 350. Start. Okay. So, preheating 100. Parang iba yung camera ko ngayon. Ang pangit. Hayaan nyo na. So, kailangan maano tanggal.
Yes, it is.
Okay, perfect. Kasi brining is a process para siyang i-marinate. It's something like marinade.
Cells of the turkey or whatever you're doing absorb
Oh, I see.
absorb the salt.
Okay lang talaga sa inyo guys ha na magdi-daily vlog kami ni John. I mean, parang may magawin naman tayo ba? No? Daily vlog is fun. I know the technique for that one. So it won't move. You have to put towel on the bottom of your bowl. And then slowly mix it, right? Slowly mix it. A little hot. This keto bread is perfect for those who is undergoing low carb diet. Okay, who's doing low carb diet? This is really perfect for all of you guys. Good for the health. Health-wise tayo na. Lalo na pag nagko-40 na tayo, kailangan natin ng health is wealth. When you're 40, everything, life begins at 40, as they say. Again, darling, after this one, you're gonna mix it, right?
Yes.
Okay. Slowly, right?
Oh, well, that one I don't think it matters.
Okay.
If you
Alright.
have regular flour, it's more difficult.
Oh, I
It'll-
see, I
It'll
see.
clump up.
Okay. Alam, may natira pa na ano. Oh. May eggshell. Buti na lang nagpabilin sa ilaw mga eggshell. Alright. Now it's time to mix it well. And this is the final step. It's very easy, guys. Really, really. When you think about it, it's really easy. Easy. John, we were running out of this one, darling, huh?
We have backup.
Okay. So with this one, kailangan natin lagyan ng parchment paper ang ating bread pan. And what we do, okay. Fast learner daw ako, guys. Natutuwa naman ako na sinabihan ako ni John ng fast learner ako.
I'm gonna steal your garbage can.
Aha. Okay.
We're gonna have grilled artichokes again.
Wow! Ang mahal ng grilled artichoke. Ang mahal ng artichoke, guys, nasa $4 to $5 ang isang piraso. Para hindi siya dumikit, guys. Kailangan tilukin natin yan guys kasi mahal ang almond flour. Alright, that's it. Sayang ito. Sayang yan. So ilalagay natin yan. Oh, sayang. Okay, perfect. 263 degrees pa. Hala ka, I forgot.
What'd you forget?
Because it's not in here. This.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, how come it's not in here?
Because it's an addition.
Maybe I'll just do it later. Or next time. That's it.
It'll still be good.
It will still be good without this one?
Yeah.
Okay. So next time na lang tayo mag maple syrup. It's not part of the recipe, right? The original recipe. It's just your addition, like your
Yeah, experimenting.
experiment. Okay. Alright. So because this is sugar too, so maybe it's better if you don't put it.
Yeah, but it's very little considered the amount.
Bakit kasi hindi mo nilagay dito? Ilalagay natin. I will put it here so in the future I won't forget. How many? How much? How many tablespoon?
I think we put 2 last time, no?
Tablespoon or teaspoon?
Table.
2 tablespoon of maple syrup. Pero ganun talaga guys, nag-i-evolve naman yung ating mga recipe eh.
Watch your head.
Do I start it? Or... Oh, 40. 40 minutes. Okay, so iwanan ko muna si John dito sa kusina while waiting sa ating bread kasi 40 minutes pa yan. Magla-live selling lang muna ako saglit. Ito na yung mga vitamins natin. Ilalagay natin yan sa balikbayan soon. Ang panga talaga ng camera ko ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung paano i-adjust itong ang daming mga i-adjust. And then, meron na rin tayo dito mga additional boxes na bili natin sa Staples nung nakaraan. Ipapabalik-bayan na natin itong mga nakuha natin sa basurahan. Isasabay na natin doon. Ang dami pa nito. Oh. Siguro mga 70 plus pa ito. Isi-sale ko na ito. Meron pa doon. Yan. Tapos maglilinis na ako dito sa room. Pagkatapos nito, hindi na muna ako next natin na brand na ila-live or ibebenta is Coach na. Okay? So, live selling muna tayo while waiting. Uy! Meron din pala ako dito ha, na sabon sa mga taga-US. Marami pa akong sabon dito. Ayan, na mga Your Highness Collagen Soap, made in Korea. So if you guys are interested, PM na lang ako. I think may mga regular customers tayo dito sa US. Kung sino man po yung mga interested or gustong mag-order ng ating Your Highness Collagen Soap, guys, pa-PM na lang ako, ha? Kasi this is very effective. This is very nice, guys. Oo, maraming nagre-restock niyan. Nagre-reorder niyan. So, Your Highness Collagen Soap, available pa din. We have like 200 pieces here. Galing sa Pilipinas yan. Ayan. Made in Korea. Made in Korea, guys. Hi guys, katatapos ko lang mag-live selling at ngayon luto na po yung ating bread. Wait lang, kuha lang tayong tong. Ayan, luto na yung bread natin.
It cools faster there because it has underneath.
That.
You can see like where it's small.
I think it's better if you do it like this. For our breakfast guys, naglaga lang si John ng artichoke. Meron pa kasi kaming mga artichoke na natira so ubusin na natin. Gusto ko yung mas crunchy guys. Si John gusto niya ng ganito.
It'll crisp a little once it cools.
Ah.
It's gonna be runny.
Hala, hindi pa siya luto guys.
Start over, I'll eat that.
Nakakaloka, hindi ko pala gusto yung pagkaluto ng itlog guys, kaya gagawa na lang ulit ako. Sabi ni Jan, kakainin na lang daw niya yung una kong niluto. Hindi ko kasi siya nalagyan ng timer, nagtansya-tansya lang ako guys. One slice for you.
Yes.
Good slice. Let's check the bread. Gamit tayo. Isa lang yung ipapaship natin today guys. Dito lang tayo sa may Lake Worth banda magpaship. Kasi pag medyo maramihan doon kami sa malaking USPS. Saglit lang tayo guys magpaship. Isang order lang ito na long wallet from Mia Marie. Thank you so much of New Jersey. Hi guys. Papunta lang kami ngayon sa Kabuki. It's a Thai restaurant kasi mag-order na ako ng food. Si Jan hindi siya kakain kasi hindi pa daw siya gutom. Dish it out. It's past 2 o'clock na guys at ito yung lunch namin. Nag-order lang ako ng basil Thai fried rice. Sabi ni Jan hindi siya kakain kasi busog daw siya, pero ito kakain yan siya guys. Nagluto din siya ng chicken wings. Nag-deep fry siya. So ito po yung partner natin sa fried rice natin. Our favorite chicken wings with chalut. Very good. Guys, grabe talaga ang perfect ng combination ng meal ko today. As in, pwede ko siyang araw-arawin. Kaso nga lang, bawal man araw-arawin ng rice, guys. Uy, masama man yun sa katawan natin. Pero if you happen to go to a Thai restaurant, guys, check nyo kung available ang basil fried rice nila. It's so good. Not sure kung dito lang yan sa Florida, guys, ang Kabuki restaurant. Pero kung available yan sa state ninyo, guys, check ninyo, Kabuki Restaurant. Very good recommendation ko talaga yan sa inyo. Hi guys, good afternoon. Ito po yung continuation ng vlog natin yesterday. Ito na po yung nakuha nating TV sa kalsada. Do you think how many inches is this, dear?
I don't know. It looks
I
like
think this
50.
50 inches. Ayan, and Samsung flat screen TV pa talaga siya. And as you can see guys, LCD siya. May kasama pa siyang remote actually. Darling, no? Remote is included, so maganda yan. Ayan. So, hindi ko pa kasi napakita sa inyo kahapon kung gumagana ba siya. I mean, nag-turn on siya, pero hindi natin, ayan, yung actual talaga na picture ng TV. Ayan. Oh, diba? So, gumagana siya, guys. Look at that. Oh, diba? And then, unfortunately, dear, we cannot ship this one, right? This one.
It's got a battery in it. Lithium battery.
Ayun. And you cannot unplug the lithium, dear. It's connected. It is like built in.
Yeah, you'd have to replace it. It'd cost you the price of the toy.
I see. So again guys, as you all know, bawal po ang lithium sa sa mga baggage, or bawal po siya sa
And I don't even know if that actually charges. There's no way to know.
So bawal ang lithium battery, as we all know, sa package. So definitely a no-no. So sa mga kababayan ko na nandito sa US, pwede ito sa mga anak ninyo. Ayan, kunin nyo na lang dito sa bahay. And for the TV guys, we have a lot of TV na we found on the street. So kung gusto ninyo, na kunin ninyo ito dito kasi We cannot fit this in Balikbayan, darling, right?
They'll break it in the balikbayan
They will
box.
break it. I remember
It
before.
won't fit anyway, but they break it.
I remember before that you send
The
microwave oven na basag yung kanyang yung kanyang cover, nabasag siya, yung front, no, the cover, nabasag siya. So the TV is good.
The glass on the door.
Oo, the glass. So guys, if you live here nearby Lake Worth, Florida, in Florida, Lake Worth, Florida, Lake Worth Beach or Palm Beach area in Florida, come visit our house and then kunin nyo itong TV. It's free. Pinapamigay na namin. And also, that's it, darling.
Free TV.
And also guys, ipapamigay ko na rin yung Estee Lauder na bag, na doctor's bag. And then yung shoes, ipapamigay na natin. I think tennis shoes ito. And also itong bag na ito, another bag, ipapamigay na rin natin. Parang sling bag ito. Bibigay na rin natin ito. And then itong insulated, hindi namin ito ibibigay kasi magagamit namin ito pag picnic kami ni John. Wala mang sira guys, yung insulated bag. Ayan. Wala siyang sira. So dyan na lang muna yan. Ayan. So again, TV, kunin nyo dito. I-off lang muna natin. Not sure kung bakit nila ito tinapon guys. Wala akong ka-idea kung bakit nila ito tinapon. Kasi okay pa eh. And then yung Webster, may nanghingi pala ng Webster Dictionary at Thesaurus. So kung gusto ninyo ito, para sa mga anak ninyo guys, ayan, Webster Dictionary and Roget's International Thesaurus. Ayan. Naalala ko talaga dati guys, no, na walang-wala kami nung high school ako. Umutang talaga yung lolo ko. Umutang siya ng pangbili ng Webster Dictionary. Merriam-Webster Dictionary. Yan. Naalala ko tuloy yung lolo ko. Napakabait. Talagang binibigay lahat sa akin guys. Kahit anong hingiin ko sa kanya, binibigay niya. So siguro mamasura kami mamayang gabi, guys. So pero i-upload ko na yan tomorrow pa. Pag mamasura kami mamaya, bukas pa yung upload niyan. Merienda muna tayo. So wala pa rin update yung ko, kung kailan ako mag-outtaking. Siguro uuwi muna ako ng Pilipinas kahit 3 weeks lang. May aasikasuhin kasi ako. Magpapaalam lang ako na uuwi ako. Kasi baka bawal. 200,000 na pala tayo, Happy 200,000 dear on YouTube.
I saw that.
Kung uuwi ako ng April 1, tignan natin Miami to Manila. Kunyari ngayong month. Kunyari March 27. Wala naman akong ginagawa. April 20. 2,000, imagine. Dati 800 lang to. Ang economy. 2,000 pa economy. Expensive.
Fuel cost.
Mahal, no? April 1 mura pala guys, 1,484. Balik ka na. Qatar Airways. Economy. Okay din yung Qatar Air. Hindi pa ako nakatry ng Qatar Airways. Pero sabi nila okay daw. Let's see. Guys, nagbo-book na ako ngayon ng flight pa uwi ng Pilipinas pero hindi pa ako sure kung anong data talaga at kung ilang araw ako uuwi ng Pilipinas or mag-i-stay sa Pilipinas kasi nga may hinihintay ako na oath-taking. Pero sana papayagan tayo, no? Pero tatawag muna ako, guys, kung papayagan tayo na umuwi, no? Kasi may aasikasuhin muna ako saglit doon. Pero babalik din naman kami ni Jan sa June, puhon. Ayun, maraming salamat, guys. Alam ko na excited kayo every time na umuwi ako ng Pilipinas. Excited talaga kayo sa Philippine Vlogs. At na-notice ko yan, guys, ang engagement tumataas, no? Parang mas gusto ninyo sa Pilipinas lang ako. Pero hindi naman pwede yan, guys, kasi nandito man ang life natin sa US at ngayong US citizen na tayo, kailangan talaga natin dito sa US mamalagi, no? At saka maghanap ng trabaho kasi maraming mga opportunities dito, guys, na hindi natin pwedeng iwanan. Yung bahay natin dito, hindi natin pwedeng iwanan din, guys. As much as I want to stay longer in the Philippines, guys, no? Hindi pwede kasi may mga property tayong inaalagaan dito sa US. So that's it for now, guys. Abangan ninyo ang vlog ko sa Philippines alone. Kasi may trabaho pa yan si Jan until June. June pa yan siya makakapagbakasyon sa Pilipinas. So, abangan ninyo yan, guys. Marami tayong mga ganap sa Pilipinas. Pero salamat ha, kasi kahit na nagde-daily vlog ako, marami pa rin ang nanonood sa akin. Alam nyo, kahit maka 5,000, 10,000, 15,000, 20,000 views ako, guys, everyday, malaking tulong na yan para sa akin, guys. Hindi lang para sa akin, kung hindi sa amin ni John and of course sa pamilya ko sa Pilipinas. Kaya thank you so much talaga. That's it for our vlog for today and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye, guys!